Hello all, myself Ajay Kapse and I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at the KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to prepare yourself for the competitive programming and how to build your own coding profile online so that when you will share these profiles with anyone like your friend, your teacher, or even with the recruiter, they will come to know about what are your coding skills, what are your programming language preferences, and what is your level of expertise in all these programming languages. I have been following this approach since I was a student, and now even if I have become a teacher, I insist my student to follow the same. This will definitely help you to build your coding skills. So without wasting much time, let's start. So as you can see in the image, if you are a student who likes a programming a lot and want to learn it so that you can get placed in good IT industry as a developer. In fact, if you are a novice programmer and want to become a recruitment ready developer, there is a certain roadmap that you should follow, and this roadmap consists of several milestones which I feel are important. So if you cover these milestones step by step, the task of becoming a developer from the novice coder will be easy for you. So let's see what are these milestones on the roadmap of becoming a developer from the novice programmer. So very first milestone is you should understand your academic technical courses very well. So whatever the technical skills you need to have in the industry, all the basic concepts of these technical skills will be covered by your academic technical courses. So it is very much important to learn your academic technical skills thoroughly before starting any coding practice. At the second milestones, once you have learned your technical academic courses very well, you can start gaining a knowledge about new trends in the development, specifically here in the coding technology via self-study. So I have mentioned some of the online free resources which will help you to learn the technology. At the same time, they will give you the free certifications which has the worldwide recognition. At the third milestones, once you have learned the new technologies and the basic concepts from your academic courses and the online resources, you can practice these skills and test these skills on some online coding platforms. I have mentioned some online coding platforms in this video, and in the later videos I'll be discussing each coding platform in detail so that you can start using these platforms very easily. While you are practicing these skills and testing your skills on the online coding platform, parallelly this coding platform will help you to build your profile during learning and testing of these skills. So whenever you are trying to code these problem statements on the online platform, at the same time they will be building your profile parallelly on these platforms, so which you can showcase to any recruiter to show your area of expertise. At the milestone number 5, once you learned the programming languages very well, you can start developing small softwares or small projects, and you can host them on some online repositories like GitHub or the Bitbucket. And the very last milestone is once you gain the enough knowledge and enough confidence, you can participate in some online hackathons or online recruitment challenges hosted by different recruiters or different companies. So let's see the first milestone, which is the academic courses. So if you want to become a good programmer, it is very much important that you must cover the academic courses thoroughly and understand the basic concepts from these academic courses very well. So these are some academic courses which I have mentioned here. Now remember, these are not the only academic courses that you should learn, but there are some other courses also that you should have a knowledge about. But the courses which I feel are the most important I have listed here. So you need to have the knowledge about programming language, data structures, operating systems, algorithms, web technologies, database engineering, and need to have a certain knowledge about the app development, which might be a mobile app development or which might be the web app development. Now, once you learn the academic subjects very well, there are certain additional online platforms which will help you to learn the new technologies or new trends in the technologies. So NPTEL and SWAYAM are such a platform which we generally call it as MOOCs. Then there is very good website available called as a Solo Learn. So it allows you to learn various programming languages at the same time. You can give the exams of this learning and earn the certificate. The same website is there called as Free Code Camp for learning of various programming languages. Then there is something called as W3 schools. So it is preferred mostly for the web technologies. And if you want to learn the subjects by different universities or by different companies and want to earn their free certificates, then this is the most important website, the last website, that is called as classcenter.com. And we know, last but not the least, the largest video search engine, YouTube, which is the vast library of learning any new technology online. Now, once we have learned these skills through the academic courses and through the online platforms, we have to practice these skills through the competitive programming. So these are some online coding platforms where you can practice these skills. I'll be covering all these platforms in all the upcoming videos, but in the today's video, we are going to focus on the hackerrank.com. So in this video, we are going to understand how to create your own profile and solve the problem statement on the hackerrank.com. In the next upcoming videos, we'll be seeing the rest of the online coding platforms. Now, once you start practicing the programming on these platforms, they will help you to build your online profile at the same time. So these are the important websites which will help you to practice the competitive programming or coding, and at the same time they will help you to build your profile online. So here I'll be showing how to build your HackerRank profile, and I'll be showing my HackerRank profile so that you will get an idea about how the HackerRank profile looks like. Then once you gain a knowledge about any technology or coding, you can create your small software projects and you can host them on the GitHub or Bitbucket repositories. These are the public repositories available. So both allows you to create the public as well as the private software repositories, which you can share with anyone or which can be worked collaboratively to develop any kind of software. Now, at the last, once you gain the sufficient confidence about development, then you can participate in the online hackathon and recruitment challenges by different recruiters hosted on these coding platforms. So these coding platforms will provide you the way to direct recruitment. It will also provide you an opportunity to earn the cash prizes and other prizes. It will also help you to build your own profile. I have mentioned here 3 such websites: HackerRank, HackerEarth and TechGeek, which I'll be showing you in all the upcoming videos. So this is my profile. You can follow this profile if you want to learn more about coding and the competitive programming and the technology. So with this, I'll be starting the demo of HackerRank, how to build your profile on the HackerRank, and how to share your profile and start solving the problem statement on the HackerRank. So let's start. So I have opened the browser, and inside of Google, I'll just type HackerRank. As soon as you type the HackerRank, you can see the very first link that's called as hackerrank.com. online coding test and technical interviews. So I'll just click on this link, and this is the home page for the HackerRank. Now here you can see the HackerRank is available for both. It is available for companies also, for recruitment, and it is available for the developers also, for getting a job role or building your own profile or learning the coding skills. Okay, so we want to log in as a developer. So I'll just click on the login. And as you can see, there are two roles available for companies. This is for the businesses, and this is for us, that is for a developer. Since we want to build our online profile and we have to participate in lots of hackathons which are conducted online, and the recruitment challenges which are hosted by the different recruiters. So I'll click on the login button in the developers section. So as soon as you click on the login, you can see you will get logged in. So let me log out first of all and show it again. So I'll just log out first and click on login. And as you can see, as I click on login, it will allow you to log in through the email ID and password if you have opened the account on the HackerRank, or if you have your Google account, you can log in with the Google account. So since I have Google account associated with my HackerRank, so I'll just log in with my Google account. So here you can see I have logged in with my Google account, and as soon as you log in, you will see that the different programming languages path you can start solving. So there is a C++, there is a separate interview preparation kit, there is a problem solving, there is a database, okay, then there is a Python basic, and these are the some important topics that every programmer should know. Okay, so I have been solving the problem solving C++ and Java. So let's try to see how this look like. So I'll just go to the problem solving. I'll click on the continue preparation, and as I go inside by clicking on continue preparation, you can see I'll be able to see the different problem statements in front of me. So these are the all problem statements listed one below another. Now on the right hand side, you can filter the problem statement depending upon whether the problem statement listed should be the solved one that you have solved, or they should be unsolved one. So I want to list only unsolved problem statements, so I'll uncheck the solved one. And now you can see it says the problem statement and solve challenge button is here. Then depending upon skills also, you can filter the problem statement. So if you are an intermediate programmer, you can check this box. If you are an advanced programmer, you can check this box, or if you are learning the programming from basics, you can check this box. Even you can filter the problem statement based on the difficulty of problem statement. So if you want easy, medium or hard, you can check the corresponding checkboxes. And these are the certain subdomains on which you can solve the problem statements. Okay, so very important thing while solving the problem statement, you can see the name of the problem statement here, then the category of the problem statement, that the difficulty of this problem statement. So it's from the easy, then it requires the basic skills, what is the maximum score for this problem statement, and how many people, how many percentage of people are successfully able to solve this problem statement, that is listed here. Okay, so this is how you can filter the problem statement. So I'll show you one problem statement here. So we have something called as the angry professor. So this is the easy category problem statement from the problem solving category basic, has a maximum score of 20 marks, and it has a success rate of around 96.40%. So I'll click on the solve challenge, and now here you can see it will open one editor. So on the left hand side, you will see the problem statements. Okay, the problem statement will consist of description, the example, Then if you want to write a specific function, then what should be the signature of the function, what the function should return, what should be the input format, and what should be the output format. Okay, so sample input and sample output will be also given here. And for this sample input and output, there will be some explanation. Now, once you read this, you can start writing the solution in terms of the code at the right hand side. So inside this editor, you can start writing your code. And here you can see on the top drop down box, they have written all the programming languages. So you can choose your own programming language you are familiar with, and you can start writing the solution in the respective programming language. Okay, so this is the code which looks familiar to me because I know Java very well. So this is the Java code. If someone knows C++, he will choose a C++ and version of C++. The code will change accordingly. Okay, and once you start writing the code, it will automatically show you whether you are correct or wrong. And once you done writing the code, you can click on run code to run the code. And once your code runs successfully, you can finally click on submit the code, which will test all the test cases. Now, once you submit your code and all the test cases are passed, all the submissions will be listed here. Okay, so let me show you some code that I have solved. So that solution will get recorded. So I'll check the solved one, and from the solved I'll check any problem statement. So I'll just try to see this, a build division. So this is the problem statement. Okay, and if I go to Java, so maximum problem statements I have solved through Java. I think Java 7 or Java 8. Okay, so let me go to the submissions. So see, I have submitted only one solution. It was accepted, and this solution was submitted around 7 years ago, somewhere around 2015. So I can view the result of this. So whatever the problem statement I am solving, this will get recorded. So this was the solution that I proposed, and this is the result in terms of the test cases my code was able to pass. Okay, so you need to pass all the test cases in order to gain all full score or all full marks. So this is how you can solve the problem statements from the different domains on the HackerRank. Now, once you start solving the problem statement and once you start coding it, your online profile will automatically get generated. So I'll show you how to build your online profile. So this is my online profile. I'll just go here and click on my profile. And as you can see, this is the profile of the HackerRank looks like. So once you learn any programming language very well and you score a good score in that particular programming language, you will start earning the badges. So the badges will be the 3 category badges. The very first badge will be a bronze badge, then there will be a silver badge, and there will be a gold badge. So if you are a novice, you will earn the bronze badge. As you go on practice and solving more problem statement, you will earn the silver badge, and once you become an expert, you can earn the gold badge in the corresponding programming languages. Okay, also once you start solving the problems, you will get the certifications. So these certifications are recognized. So I'll just click on the certificate and show you. So this is the one certificate in the problem solving. This is the Java intermediate certificate. So you will get the certificate as you go on solving the badges. Okay, and you can see this is the profile that is not only visible to you, but this is also visible to the recruiter, or this is also visible to anyone with whom you are going to share this profile. So I'll show you the URL. So this is the URL. So if you want to build your own online profile or own your resume, you can mention your profile inside your resume. So let me show you my resume. So I'll just open this resume, and as you can see, inside my resume I have mentioned this online profile of HackerRank here. So I mentioned the TechGeek profile also, the HackerRank profile also. So today's video was only restricted about the HackerRank profile. So this is how you can create your account on the HackerRank profile, and you can build your profile and share that profile on the HackerRank. If you want any more videos related to the HackerRank or related to the problem solving, let me know in the comment box so I can prepare more videos on the HackerRank. Now we are going to learn about more coding platforms or competitive coding platforms such as TechGeek, HackerEarth and LeetCode in the next videos. Thank you.